Hey, what's up, guys? It's Billy here again. Out here in the hayfield. Look over here. This big ass tree decided to fall right in the road where our gates are going to the horses. So, we gotta cut it out. I was gonna make this video kind of an instructable how to properly sharpen your saw. Here in a couple of months, you guys are going to be seeing a whole lot more of this from me, because this is part of what I do out here. A lot of people get them little guides, and I don't know why. I mean, I guess they haven't sharpened enough saws or not. This is my tool. You notice how there's an angle on it? It's just a stick that I cut off with the chainsaw. There's my file. See that angle? That's so I can hold it like that and I can keep pressure on it. This is going to be hard to do with one hand. Actually, I really can't do it with one hand, but I'm just going to show you guys. If you look real close at these teeth, there's a line on it. See the focus. See that line? That is your guide. Still ain't wanting to focus. There it goes. You see that? My file is pretty darn close. Might be a 0.2% increase on the angle, but as long as you file it good, you'll be all right. Now what you do, you don't want to just bear down on it and try to scrape it all off at one big whack. What you do is you just kind of barely hit it. And you stay straight with it. You want your file to be in the groove level. You don't want to be pushing down, you want to push back slightly. Remember, this is a almost brand new file. I've used it a couple of times. But as long as you treat your files right and don't crowd it, it won't break your file down so quick. Same thing right here. You just kind of keep on going. If you get off a little bit like that and you hit that, just go back and hit it. Keep hitting it. But you don't want to rush this, because if you rush it, you're going to jack something up and your saw is going to cut all kinds of funny. And cutting with a dull saw sucks. Trust me, I don't cut with dull saws. If my chain's dull and I don't have a file, I'm done cutting. I just won't do it. I mean, you're stressing yourself too much trying to do that crap. See how the file's not all the way down in the groove right now? After school note. I just got a notification. But it's just, see how it's seating down in there now? This is really hard to do with one hand. You'll get a lot too of people saying, oh, you got to put it in a vise, you got to do this, you got to do that. I freehand just about everything I do. I'll make a video of my house, and my whole house is pretty much freehanded. So you just keep on sharpening it. A lot of times when I'm out in the woods, I have a different stance. I don't like having my saw straight across the flat surface like my tailgate of my truck. You see, I like to actually hold it up. Get out of here. Alright. Now you just keep on polishing it, sucker. You'll feel it stick a little bit. It's good. You need to get that stick out of there. What that is burrs on your tooth. See, now it's not sticking really anymore. It just kind of glides on through. That's what you're looking for. Especially those last couple of swipes. You want them to be smooth. Nice and easy and smooth. If you're not smooth with it, your tooth will be all rough and it'll cut crooked. It'll cut all weird. Now when I'm cutting firewood, Actually out there swinging it between sharpens, especially if I got a low chain, I don't worry about none of it. Because, I mean, I can go through an entire chain in about a week to get more work done than a lot of people that use all that fancy equipment and shit. I'm getting even better now since I started taking my CBD oil. My hands don't hurt anymore. Being a butcher for so long just about destroyed my hands. And I found a company that I actually represent. I'm an affiliate with them. I sell the product now. They have real CBD oil, and it's actually helping my hands. If I wasn't taking it, if I didn't take my oil this morning, right now my hand would be all cramped up just from sharpening this damn thing. But I'm not numb. I'm not cramped up. Shit works for me. A lot of people go, oh, it don't work. That's just a bunch of Indian hoodoo. Well, it's probably because you're taking an oil that was cut with like sunflower seed oil or coconut oil or water or some synthetic bullshit. You weren't taking pure oil. Pure oil is where it's at. It's what you want. Or maybe you're not taking it right. I mean, you don't want to take it rectally. You don't rub it on your hands or nothing. Drop it under your tongue. You let that sucker soak in. And just give it a little bit. There's no head change. There's no failed drug tests. CBD, not THC. CBD actually counteracts THC. And you can look that up. I mean, that's clinically proven. A lot of people say, oh, well, you need the THC to react with the CBD. No, you don't. That's not how it works. Look up clinically proven studies on CBD oil and the effects it has on THC. CBD counteracts it. It has anti-psychoactive effects. I'm not sure what else that it counteracts, but that's one of the compounds it does. Clinically proven. Here goes that. About done yet? Looks like it. I was asked one time, when you start sharpening your saw and you don't mark your tooth, how do you know which tooth is you're sharpening? Or which one you started on? Well, that's easy, damn it. See that shiny? After you sharpen a damn tooth, it's going to be shiny because you got new metal showing. I mean, come on. It's not rocket science. This chainsaw is one of the most simplest machines. See, look, shiny. See if I can get it to focus. Yeah. My damn camera sucks. Shiny? Not shiny. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the way it is. And you just keep at it. Hey, will you hold this, Red? Alright, last tooth on this side. Remember, chainsaw has two sides to it. Okay. That tooth's a little bit rough, but it's alright. There. Now, here's how it's sitting. And we were sharpening the left side. That's all. You hold this. It's real simple. You flip it around. Now you're going to sharpen the right side of the saw. Ta-da! You come over here. Instead of pushing like that, now I push with my thumb. So not even really pushing that hard. Just barely getting with it. Now I guess when you're holding the camera, I can actually sharpen this like a fucking man's supposed to sharpen a damn saw. You just get with it. You keep that angle. And you'll feel it when it goes sharp. A lot of people count your strokes, yada, 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 yada. If you're pushing this son of a bitch as hard as you can to try to get this thing to sharpen, yeah, you better count your strokes, because you're going to eat your teeth away. But you don't do that. You want your chain to last a while. This chain right here cost me about 60 bucks. $60, and one asshole that comes over here and decides to sharpen it wrong burns off about $20 of my damn chain, and I get pissed. I don't let people touch my saw for a reason. I'm pretty anal about it. Am I not?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. This little steel MS-271, I was a little hesitant about it at first because it's an MS, it's not an O. I like an O62 personally. But, I mean, it's pretty good. It dogs out a little bit. It's alright. As long as I'm gentle with it. Just pull it out. If you want to get long pulls, you always start from the top. Very tip of your blade. If I can get this sharpened quick enough to where I don't run out of memory on my phone, I'll show you the first cut and what it looks like to have a sharpened saw. Yes, there is a difference between the looks of the shavings and how the saw runs when you have a sharp saw. Big difference. Big difference on how you feel at the end of the day also. Because this thing will beat the shit out of you if you let it. Thing of it is, this is a stationary machine. It does not dictate how you work, you dictate how it works. Oh, and there's another little trick right here. I'll show you. If we can get a close-up in on the file. See all them little shavings?
No.
No?
Quit moving it.
See the sparkle?
What is it?
A bunch of little sparkles will get plugged up in the teeth and the fins. Just knock that off. I bet there's a lot of sawmen out there going, man, you're doing it wrong. You need a guide. You need to be able to buy a guide for that thing. I fucking hate guides. They get in my way. I can't sharpen as fast, and I can't get the work done that I need to get done in the allotted time that I have. And plus, it just adds more weight to your pockets. So look at that tooth. That tooth's kind of jackered up. You just keep on sharpening. Beautiful. So you guys that's gonna giving me shit about how I sharpen and the way I cut, I'll show you a video of my house this winter. Most of my house was built with a chainsaw. By the time I'm done with it, it's gonna look like a fucking millionaire lives there. Not some old freaking redneck country kid. I'm 33 years old. I guess I'm a kid to them freaking 60 and 80-year-olds out there. This kid's went through some shit. They never did let me in the wars, in the service. I got caught with some freaking weed a long time ago. They told me that they're trying to crack down on drugs in the military, yada yada yada. A couple of years after I got busted too. Supposed to be expunged. They wouldn't let me in there. The Marines said, you're a butcher, we can't have you. I'm already acclimatized to taking lives. Already have trigger time and yada yada yada. Piss off. Alright, there's the last tooth. There it is. Alright. You can follow me over here. You see, I can drop those where they won't hit that bottom cable line. That's all it is phone service, cable service. But what I gotta do, chunk this sucker up. And we're just gonna cut some bigger pieces out of the way, get this thing pulled out the way, so I can come back with a clean truck and pick it all up, set it up for this winter's firewood. Let's get to cutting. I'll show you what a sharp saw looks like. Watch out, I'm gonna drop that down. Curls, them big chunks. That's the difference between a sharp saw and a dull saw. Throwing sawdust, it ain't fucking sharp. It's not sharp at all. Now you just pick it up and move it out of your damn way. You see that top cut? You got a tree laying like that, naturally the gravity's going to take over and it's going to fall out. So if you cut straight down, what's going to happen is your tree's going to fold and pinch your fucking bar and it's going to hang it up. big enough tree, you're not going to get that out. And it's a pain in the ass. So you score it almost halfway through on the top. You come out from underneath it, make sure it's some bitch ain't going to come back and kill you, and you just let it stage down like you seen. I was right next to it, and I've been cutting for years, several years. So I mean, I'm not really scared to cut many trees unless they're completely dead and rotten. I'd rather pull them over. But I'm not telling you guys never picked up a chainsaw to go out and get one and start cutting, because if you kill yourself, I guess they could sue me. But if you want to learn how to use a chainsaw, best get with somebody that's been doing it for about 20 fucking years. So anyway, that's about all I got for you. So stay tuned, you know, like and subscribe. You can put some rants and stuff down there on things that I did wrong. That's fine. But you guys have a good day. See you later.